Guys, welcome back to Framer Paint. We're doing a remake of the video we did about 7 videos ago. So for our Framer Paint today, we're doing like a 15-second like montage video of something that they liked. I'm your host today, and say we don't have faith. So our replacement for this is Jet Jenkins. He's gonna be doing it with us today. So our first segment is Framer Paint, which you can see right here. Next second is chicken, and just like the last one, we picked up a turkey, but today it's a real chicken we're gonna have to pick up. And the last one is pop it or get wet. So let's get into Framer Paint.
Thing is Jet, in my opinion. So Jude, you're gonna be the loser, but you're gonna have to spin the wheel, and you guys will soon be able to see the wheel. Okay, guys, so you guys we're gonna go spin the wheel right now for Jude. I don't know what he can get. There's gonna be some pretty bad ones, so let's go up there and do that.
Guys, me as your host today, we are doing spin the wheel because of his pain for losing in Framer Paint. Sorry, man, but you're going to spin the wheel, and I'm going to let you spin it because I don't want you to think that I'm cheating. So here, click the mouse pad, please. Thank you. Alrighty, so we're spinning here. It's going feet in pond. Oh, that is a brutal one. That is going to be pretty cold.
Pretty easy.
We're going to head out there, and we're going to do it.
Guys, so we're done with Framer Paint. We're gonna be heading into chicken next, and if you're gonna have to pick up a chicken. So is either of you guys gonna use your chicken for the chicken?
No. Nope.
But they're both gonna pick him up?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead into that segment.
So the host is out here, and he just told us our job. So our job is we have to go in there and we have to lift up a chicken. Do you want to use your chicken? Oh, well, you already used yours, so,
You chickening?
Nope, I ain't chickening.
You ain't chickening?
No, Get it, chicken. Picked up.
Okay, ready, guys?
And now you gotta carry him back to the chicken.
Real pro?
No, Becky. I'm a real pro.
Hey, yeah, wrap your hands.
I'm mentally pro.
No, Becky.
Come on, Becky. Becky. Okay, ready, guys?
Oh, chicken. Chicken pro here. I was the one that got this chicken out and ready for doing it. Your host here, signing off from the chicken segment. Bye bye, Becky. See you, Becky. Also, thanks a lot for Becky because we couldn't do this video without you. So
Finished chicken. Neither of them used their chicken, but next we're gonna be going into Framer Paint right here. If you can see it, this is our next segment. What's my face? It's okay. There we go. So now you can see it right there, but we're gonna have to go into the next. Okay, guys, so we're ready for pop it or get wet. Jude, lower it towards his head a little bit more, towards his head. Okay, Jet, do the first cut.
There's like water on the bottom.
Just go. really working so well.
I have to
But
get
now
over your
we're-
face.
It's getting there.
Is it working better?
It's cutting better.
What if I dropped it out on
I
you?
hear it snipping.
Well, you have to keep it.
Oh, okay. So,
You think you're gonna do it or are you gonna chicken?
I think I might chicken. Really don't want to get wet at this time of night. I'm just gonna.
Well, I know that there's probably.
It's your turn if he chickens.
It's gonna blow in my face. It's gonna blow in my face. I think I might use my chicken. I don't know.
The will would have it.
What if I change it?
Well, I don't know if that's a lot flavor though.
Wait. Did the director just say there's another? Oh, there's another one. There's another layer.
See?
Another one.
The director's gonna give it on him.
You
have to keep it on line with his face.
I told you!
Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.